Sit, sit, sit. Do not move. I have a trumpet. Do you want to listen to my trumpet?
Yes, please.
Here I go. Wait. That was not right.
Not right at all.
That was better.
That was better? Yikes. That is not music. Piggy sounds like my Aunt Molly with a cold.
And now for the big finish.
Finished?
Finished. So, what do you think of my trumpet?
Your trumpet is...
Yes.
Your
Go on.
trumpet is loud.
And,
Your trumpet is shiny.
and,
You hold your trumpet very well.
and, I'm waiting.
Piggy, you are my friend. And I am your friend. So I will tell you the truth. Your trumpet is loud, and it is shiny, and you hold it very well. But that was not music. Sorry.
Gerald, you think I'm trying to make music? I'm trying to speak elephant. I want to sound like you.
Oh! But Piggy, your accent needs work. I will teach you.
Yay!
Try to get more work in your work.